This is class 9 History, Chapter 1 French Revolution, Part 1. The French Revolution. Actually, this French Revolution leads to the three important golden words, that is liberty, equality, and fraternity. These three are the important thing. Even today all the countries are following this in their constitution. Revolution means the people or group of people protest or oppose against the ruler or government or the present authority, especially by violent way. Through the violence they oppose, and also they need the change of the authority. Especially in French Revolution, the people, they want to overthrow the monarchy. On the morning 14th July 1789, this is important date, 14th July 1789, the city of Paris, Paris is the capital of France. The city of Paris was in a state of alarm. State of alarm means a frightened situation, a fear, a warning of danger or emergency, something going to happen there. The king had commanded troops to move into the city. So the king of the France commanded the military troops to move into the Paris city. But the rumors, this is important, the rumors spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizens. So the rumor spread out the entire city of Paris, that is very soon the king going to give the order to open fire, to shooting order upon the citizens. Some 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall. Town hall in front of the means it's a hub area in the city, like city center. In front of the town hall, they gathered and decided to form a people's milita, people's military, to face against the military troops which was commanded by the king to move into the city Paris. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. They decided, the group of men and women of around 7,000, they decided to form a people's military, that is militia. For that they need weapons. So they decided, they broke the government buildings to search the arms. Finally, a group of several hundred people, that means one part of that group, marched towards the eastern part of the city, east side of the Paris, and stormed the fortress prison. Fortress means it's a large, strong building that is not easy to attack. So actually this fortress is a prison. That one is named as the Bastille, the prison, the Bastille, where they hope to find hoarded ammunition. Ammunition means weapons, bullets, those who are hoarded there in the bulk. So they want to loot that one, they want to take that one. That's what they decided to storm the prison Bastille. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille, that is the head of the Bastille, was killed and prisoners released. Those who are inside that prison, the prisoners released, though they were only 7 of them. Only 7 prisoners were there. Yet the Bastille was hated by all. Why the Bastille was hated by all? Because it stood for the despotic power of the king. This is important because this Bastille is considered the despotic power of the king. Despotic means overall power under the control of the single king, that is monarchical rule. That is the fame for the pride of the king. That's what public, that is people, hated the Bastille. The fortress was demolished, completely destroyed, demolished, and its stone fragments. Fragments means a small pieces which was taken out from the broken building, that is Bastille, were sold in the markets to all those who wished to keep a souvenir of its destruction. Souvenir means kept as a reminder or remembrance of the event, that is storm of the Bastille, that is broken of the Bastille. For that incident, for that event, the people, they want to keep as a remembrance of its destruction. The days that followed saw more rioting both in Paris and the countryside. Countryside is a village side. Rioting means a violent outburst by a crowd, that is by a group of peoples. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread. The bread is the staple food of France. So the high prices of bread, so the most of the people protest. Much later, when historians looked back upon this time, after some time the historians, they looked back about this event, they saw it as the beginning of a change. This storming of the Bastille, that is broken of the Bastille, it is the beginning event that ultimately led to the execution of the king in France. So these continuous chain of events finally is led to that, it's lead to the execution of the king. That though most people at the time did not anticipate this outcome. How and why did this happen? For this question, the answer is the entire lesson. So in next video, we learn about that subtopic 1, that is French society during the late 18th century. Until then, thank you.